Hello my dear students. Today I am here to discuss about the second chapter of class 8, that is the linear equation in one variable. So before going to start this chapter, we should know what is the expression. What is the expression? Terms combine to form the expression. That is, if we combine the terms, then it forms the expression. Okay, for example, 2x square plus 3xy plus z. So this is known as the expression. Okay, if we combine the terms, then we get the expression. Okay, now what is the equation? What is the expression? In any expression, if equal sign is present, in any equation, if equal sign is present, then it is known as the equation. Okay, that means if equation sign is present in any expression, then we can say that this is the equation. Like 2x square plus 3xy plus z equal to 3. So this is the equation. Okay, in equation there must be equation sign. Okay, must be present equation equal sign. Okay, this is the equation. Now come to our topic. What is the linear equation? Now come to our topic. What is the linear equation? Okay, linear and equation. So equation is equal sign with expression with equal sign. And what is the linear equation? In any equation, if maximum power is 1, in any equation, if the maximum power of any term is 1, then it is known as the linear equation. For example, 2x plus 3y plus z equal to 9. Here the power of x is 1, the power of y is 1, and the power of z is 1, and the power of 9 is also 1. So we can say that this is the linear equation. That means in any equation, if the maximum power of any term is 1, then we can say that this is the linear equation. Okay, now come to the topic linear equation in one variable. Okay, linear equations in one variable. That is such linear equation in which the variable is only one type. Such equation in which the variable is only one type. Then we can say that this is a linear equation in one variable. Okay, for example, 2x plus 3x is equal to 9. This is the linear equation in one variable because here is the maximum power of 2 and x is 1 and 9 is 1. The maximum power of any term is 1. Okay, and linear equation in one variable, and here is the variable, only one type of variable, that is x is present. Okay, so in this equation the maximum power of any term is 1 and only one type of, that is x is present. So we will say it that is this is the linear equation in one variable. Okay, so this is the your topic, what is the linear equation in one variable. Okay, now we will solve some question related to this topic, that is the linear equation in one variable. Just like this is the question. 7x minus 9 equal to 16. Okay, here is this is the linear equation in one variable. Why? Because the maximum power of any term is 1, and here is only one type of variable is present, that is the only x. Here is no other type of variable present, only x is present in this equation. So this is the linear equation in one variable. Now we have to solve this and find the value of x. Okay, so how we will solve it? What is the process to solve linear equation? Okay, for solving the linear equation, we move all the variable term toward left hand side and we move all the constant term toward the right hand side. Okay, so here is this is the variable term. This is the constant term, and this is also constant term. Okay, so we will move all the variable term towards the left hand side, and we will move all the constant term toward the right hand side of the equal sign. Okay, so here 7x is present toward the left hand side. We will not do anything about the 7x. We will just move the 9 minus 9 towards the right hand side. Okay, so 7x is here. Here 16 is also here. 16 is also present toward the right hand side. So we will not do anything to the 16. We will just move the 9 minus 9 towards the right hand side. So here is minus sign, and after moving minus sign 9 towards the right hand side, it will become plus 9. Okay, so minus 9 after moving towards right hand side, it will become plus 9, because if we change the side of any term, then the sign will become changed. Okay, so minus 9 become plus 9. Okay, now 7x is equal to 16 plus 9, 25, and here is 7 into x. 7 into x. So we will keep x here, that is toward the left hand side, and we will move the 7 towards the right hand side. Here 7 into x, and after moving 7 towards right hand side, it will become divide. Though it will divide the 25 by 7. 25 by 7. So this is the value of x. We can verify the value of x. Just place the value of x here. 7 into x value, x equal to 25 upon 7. We have solved here and we have find the value of x. Just place the value of x in the linear equation and verify it. Minus 9 equal to 16. 7 cancel. So 25 minus 9, that is 16 equal to 16. That is our value of x is correct. It is totally correct. Okay. So this is the process to solve the linear equation. Now we will do some more examples. Okay. Second example. 2x upon 3 plus 1 equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. Now we will do the same process. All the constant terms should be the right hand side and all the variable terms should be on towards the left hand side. Okay, we will keep 2x minus 3 because this is the variable term. This is the constant term. This is the variable term. This is also variable term, and this is also constant term. So we will move the constant term towards the right hand side, and we will move the variable term toward the left hand side. Okay, so we will keep the 2x minus 3 here because it is the variable term. Plus 1. Here is variable term is 7x upon 15. Here it is plus. So if after moving 7x upon 15, it will become negative. So we will move the 7x upon 15 towards the left hand side. That is minus 7x upon 15 equal to, now here is plus 1 and after moving towards the right hand side it will become minus 1 and here is plus 3 minus 1. Now LCM of 3 and 15 is 15. 3 5s are 5 to the 10. 10x minus 7x is equal to 3 minus 1 2. 3x is equal to 15 into 2. Because here 15 is in the divide and after moving towards the right hand side, it is the constant term. 15 is the constant term. After moving 15 towards the right hand side, it will become multiply and multiply by 2, that is 15 into 2. So 3x is equal to 30 and here 3x, 3 into x, that is 3 is the constant, x is the variable. So after moving 3 towards the right hand side, it will become divide. Then x is equal to 30 upon 3, that is the 10. The value of x is equal to 10. Okay. Now we can verify that x is equal to 10 is right or wrong. Just put the value of x in this equation. Okay. That is 2 into 10 upon 3 plus 1 equal to 7 into 10 upon 15 plus 3. 20 upon 3 plus 1 equal to 17 upon 15 plus 3. 3 1 is 3, 23 upon 3. Here 115 3 the 45, 115 upon 15. Just divide by 5. So here is 23 upon 15. That is LHS is equal to RHS. That is our value of x is equal to 10 is totally correct, because after putting the value of x in this equation, the equation RHS is equal to LHS. So this is the correct value of x. You can also verify in any linear equation. Okay, now come to the next question. Next question. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9 when we interchange the digits. It is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? That is, sum of digits of 2-digit number is 9. That is any number which is in the 2 digit, and sum of both the 2-digit number is 9. After adding the both digits we get the 9. When we interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? So this is the word problem, and for solving the word problem, first form the equation. Okay, just read the all sentence and form the equation. Okay, here is the solution. Sum of digit of a 2-digit number, that is 2-digit number. Sum of digit of 2-digit number, that is if one digit is x, then other will be x plus 9, because sum of 2-digit number is 9. Let first digit is n, so then other will be x minus 9, because sum of 2-digit number is 9. Okay, here will be 9 minus x. If one digit is x, then other will be 9 minus x, because sum of both digits is equal to 9. If we add both these digits, x plus 9 minus x, then we get the 9. That is, if one digit is x, then other will be 9 minus x. And the number 10x plus 9 minus x. This is the one number. And after changing, this is the number. And after changing, it will become the 10th place, and it will become the ones place. So 10 into 9 minus x plus x. Then the original number by new number is greater than the original number by 27. That is the minus 27. This is the greater than 27 by original number. Okay, just find the value of x. 10x plus 9 minus x, 90 minus 10x plus x minus 27. 10x minus x, 9x plus 9 equal to 90, 27. That is the 63. So minus 9x or plus 63. 9x. Now we will move the 9x towards here. Minus 9x get plus 9x. So 9x plus 9x is equal to 63 plus 9 here minus 9. So 18x is equal to 54. Then x is equal to 3. This is the value of x. So the number will be, here place the value of x. 10 into 3 plus 9 minus 3. So 30 plus 6. That is 36. This is our number 36. Okay. So this is the, in any word problem, just solve the, create the equation. Okay. After solving the equation, you will get the answer. So in word problem, you have to form the linear equation. Okay. Now next question. We will solve the next question. Ages of Hari and honey are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. Okay. Ages of Hari and Honey are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will 3:4. Find their present ages. Okay. So present ratio of their ages is 5:7. That is, age of Hari is equal to, ratio is 5, so we will get as 5x. Age of Honey will be 7x, because the ratio is 5:7, so we will get as x. So 5x and 7x. And after 4 years, age of Hari equal to 5x plus 4, because after 4 years the 4 will be added in the present age. Okay. And age of Honey equal to 7x plus 4. Now the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. That is ratio after 4 years. Ratio after 4 years. So 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4, and ratio will become 3/4. Okay. So ratio is 3/4. Now just cross multiply it. That is the 4 into 5x plus 4 equal to 3 into 7x plus 4. Now solve. 4 5s are 20x plus 16 equal to 21x plus 12. Just move the variable term toward the left hand side and move the constant term toward the right hand side. So here is 20x minus 21x is equal to 12 minus 16. So minus x is equal to minus 4. So x is equal to 4. We will cancel out the minus and minus. So x is equal to 4. That is, present age is 5 into 4, 20. And present age of Honey, 7 into 4. That is 28. We have find the value of x. Just put the value of x in this age of Honey and put the value of in age of Honey. Okay. So 5 into 4, that is 20. 7 into 4, that is 20. This is the present age of Honey, and this is the present age of 28 of Honey. Present age of Hari is 20 and present age of Honey is 28. So this is the rule. This is the rule to solve the linear equation. This is the process to solve the linear equation in one variable. Okay. Now solve all the question which is given in your book. Thank you.